Welcome back to Nitro Garage. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT pushes the legacy of American muscle into a new era, blending raw power with modern innovation. It remains true to its iconic roots while embracing the demands of a digitally connected and performance-hungry world. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang GT retains its naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, now tuned for even greater efficiency and power. With an output climbing to nearly 500 horsepower, it delivers breathtaking acceleration and an unmistakable exhaust note that's been carefully engineered to thrill both driver and bystanders. The optional performance package enhances the driving experience with magnetic dampers, a limited slip differential, and larger Brembo brakes, making it more agile and responsive than ever before. Design-wise, the 2026 model refines the aggressive styling introduced in the previous generation. The front fascia has been sharpened with a more angular grille, slimmer LED headlights, and active aero elements that not only enhance the appearance but also improve high-speed stability. The hood features functional vents that help with engine cooling, and the muscular fenders give the car a planted, powerful stance. At the rear, the classic tri-bar taillights remain a signature element, now with an updated LED pattern. A subtle ducktail spoiler, dual exhaust with quad tips, and a rear diffuser complete the modernized yet heritage-inspired design. Inside, the Mustang GT has undergone a digital revolution. The driver is greeted with a customizable 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch central touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 5 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside an upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. The cabin materials have seen an upscale shift, offering options like suede inserts, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber accents. Seats are deeply bolstered for spirited driving while still providing comfort for longer journeys. Ambient lighting and intuitive control layouts add to the refined experience. The 2026 model also brings advanced safety and driver assistance features to the forefront. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. A new feature for this model year is a track-focused drive mode with real-time telemetry and lap timing, all integrated within the digital interface. This allows drivers to monitor their performance and adjust suspension, steering, and throttle mapping to suit various driving conditions. The driving dynamics have been enhanced with improved chassis rigidity and revised suspension geometry. The steering feels more precise, with quicker feedback and better connection to the road. Optional adaptive suspension allows the car to transition smoothly from daily driving comfort to aggressive track handling. The rear-wheel drive layout continues to define the Mustang's character, but with added electronic assistance that keeps the driver in control without diluting the fun. Ford has also paid attention to efficiency, with the addition of cylinder deactivation technology and revised aerodynamics contributing to better fuel economy figures. While it's still a performance-first vehicle, the GT is more livable than ever, making it a viable option for daily commuting without sacrificing its muscle car soul. Optional upgrades include Recaro performance seats, a performance exhaust system, and a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers quicker shifts and adaptive learning to match driving style. With the 2026 Mustang GT, Ford has successfully balanced tradition and innovation. It retains the heart-pounding V8 experience that enthusiasts crave, while integrating modern tech, comfort, and safety. Whether on the open highway, carving through mountain roads, or tearing up a racetrack, the Mustang GT continues to stand as a symbol of American performance and freedom. As the automotive industry evolves, the Mustang stays true to its identity, offering a thrilling, visceral experience that few cars in its class can match.